Right, so I'm back with a sore throat many days later. So I've done a wee bit of reading, well not reading, I've been doing some checks. So that's all the mossfets apart from this one is showing, they're showing 6 volt, or 0.6 volts. This one's showing 0.3. So I'm going to replace this one and see what happens. See if that changes anything. Make sure it's good. If this goes bang then, oh well, fuck it. Let's not let bang. Oh, SP1 boot success. Oh my god, let's disconnect that. EPU's getting hot. I think we may have done it. But we'll find out in a second once I connect everything back up. We'll just connect the fan. We'll just do the fan. I know the fan's in shit state, but that'll get a good clean. Let's just double check. And just set that like that. It's on. The lights, I don't know if you can see the light. It seems to be staying on. I've got light is good. I'll take that. Let's switch this over to HDMI. HDMI in. Preparing console. I will take that. However, there's a lot more stuff we need to do. So I'm just going to give everything a good clean. I'll move this out of the way. So I've already given the board a clean. We need a good dollop of thermal paste. That'll probably suffice. That might be suffice. We shall see. That's clipped into place. Right, there we go. Make sure I'll plug in the hard drive. And then the on disk drive. Right, this is the stage we want to be at. Right, we are on. You can see the light. Nee disk. Xbox One. Xbox One, my schmarrapin. And bang, there we have it. Xbox One S. As good as new. So let's get it powered up. And she's powering up. It's a good sign, as always. And let's go through the process of setting this thing up. Anyway, you've seen the process of doing this shite, so I'll come back. So, the Xbox is working. Right, let's test to see if any games work. I'm going to stick in Grand Theft Auto. See if it ejects. Yep. You know, we can see it loads up, so I'm happy with that. So that's another Xbox One S working, and I paid a total of about £22, £23 for it, and all I had to replace is this NCP chip and this wee MOSFET. That was reading 0.3 volts when it should be 0.6 volts. And the console is in pristine condition. Obviously there's a few wear and tear scratches, but that's to be expected. It's not a new console, quite an old console, so I'm happy with that. And remember, if you want to see more content, please hit that like and subscribe button. Remember, subscribing doesn't cost nothing. it's free. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm happy. Goodbye.